everyone, I'm Kalimbas and I'm with Barona and Blanco. And we're going to present the Venn diagram, and our topic is the impact of social media marketing on sales, how platforms like TikTok and Instagram influence customer buying decisions. TikTok. It is like a flash sale. The products can go viral overnight and sell out quickly. It focuses on short and entertaining trend videos that can make a product go viral overnight and make a viral challenges that can quickly capture the attention. And also there's TikTok boost sales by combining short and engaging videos. It is also promoted by influencers to reach a wide audience across the country so they can discover the products and direct products link in videos so that the viewers can see it right away.
Instagram. It is like boutique. It builds a long-term relationship and brand loyalty that keeps customer coming back. It focuses on high-quality visuals, reels, and story that emphasize brand identify and lifestyle. Instead of sudden virality, it builds steady engagement over time, making trust and loyal among followers, particularly millennials and older audience. Instagram's integrated shopping features like product tags and in-app stores, making it easy for customer to explore and purchase without leaving the app.
Both similarities. Both TikTok and Instagram allow customers to pursue directly within the app through a Shop Now button or product tags, making shopping quick and convenient. They are both highly visual platforms driven by algorithms that help products reach new audience for both influence and content. Creators play a big role in building trust and acknowledging purposes, and brands can use ads and analytics to track, measure, and improve sales strategies.
These are the reference for TikTok, similarities, and Instagram. That's all. Thank
Thank
you.
you.